This here is the US model 1884 TrapDoor Springfield rifle. As you can see, chambered in 45-70. She has seen better days. This rifle, we believe to have been sporterized. As you can tell, that was the place for the cleaning rod right there, the hole. And the rest of the stock is cut away. So, this rifle's been sitting for a while. And we are going to clean it as best we can. I've never cleaned one of these rifles before. So, I just do what I can with the time I got. Make it look at least better than it is, if you can see that in there. A little rough. So, as I said, do what we can and see what comes of it. Here we go. So down the barrel, I will be spraying ballistol, let it sit. I'm going to be spraying some all in there. The breech. What we're going to do, we're now going to let this sit in the rifle for a little while and come back to it. Alright, so getting back to it, we will be using a barrel brush. This is a 45 caliber brush, and it being 45-70, this will work. So bring it around, and so I'll take the barrel, take the brush. Just going to take the brush, insert it through the barrel, and go from here. Going to open up the trap door. Man, if I could ever get it. Golly. Going down. See the brush there. And come back with it. And we would repeat this process several times. The inside of this barrel is not in the greatest condition, but we're trying what we can. All right, I'll set the rifle here. Doesn't seem to be too much on the brush, but you know, the goal is to break up all the mess in the barrel. So now we will be cleaning the chamber with some, just, you know, some regular toothpicks. You get some of the crud out in here. Looks like ancient gun grease. It has hardened. Man, wish we had a better light to see in there. Let's see what I get out of this though. Oh yeah. That right there. Definitely see some mess in this rifle. Just lack of cleaning through the years, you know how it is. Clean this up. There's some here in the back also. This trapdoor will fall down. So I'm going to grab here and get at this. Oh my goodness. If y'all can see that. Get this corner here too. caused a lot of mess down there. So, just going to dump this here. See what comes out. Good little bit. Still, however, see some more down in there. We hope, as we go along, we hope that we aren't seeing a rust in here. Hope. As I scrub, more comes out. It's packed in there. That's about all we're going to get in there for now. Well, do see some right in here. Wow, sticky too. Look at that. Right in here, got some, just a little bit. Okay. So, that's that with the back end. So, didn't even consider it as a possibility. Earlier when I tried to lift the trapdoor, got blocked by the firing pin here. You can see, obviously, when there's nothing obstructing the lever, it works. What do you know? Alright, so I have quite a lot of crud around this little bit here. For some reason I want to say this is the extractor, but as you know, I have not researched this rifle too terribly much. But a lot right in here. Oh yeah, there you go. Get this side too. Wow. It is messy. Who knows how old that grease and little bits of dirt, dust, whatever else it could be is. Wow. That is something right there. And gonna take care of this. Still have a little bit in there. Oh well. And there you go. Get at that just a little more. I think it's dirty, y'all. So let's see if I can get the camera to see up in the breech right here. Can't quite see in there, but there is a lip around the start of the barrel here. I'm going to go around that. There we go. That's about all we're going to get on this for now. I just want to say never mind. There we go. So, that's that for now. Come right back to it in a minute. But now, we're going to spray a little bit of oil in here and wipe it out. It'll be good enough. Quite dirty, as you can see. Yeah. Going with a dab more oil in here. this side right here and get to it. There you go. U.S. Springfield. Still stamped on the side. Okay, now we will be going back to the barrel. All right, so we will be cleaning here with this jag and cloth. Ram it down. It's slightly dirty. This is already from the barrel right here, as I was testing to see what would do best. So, let's see. Oh dear, that is chunky. That's not good. Okay, back to it. And back out. Y'all saw that little chunk on there. That gives me cause for concern. On the barrel you may be seeing, we believe we saw possible rust. So just a bit. It's just a really worn barrel. I mean, as you can tell by here alone, goodness gracious. I'll give you all a barrel shot, best I can do. So here we go. There's a better shot right there after cleaning, of course. Kind of hard to tell. It's like a pit down there at the end toward the receiver. That is not the best shape. Bit of rifling. A bit in there, as you can see. Alright, let's move back to the table. Running the third and final patch here. Open the TrapDoor. And do what we can. Go. It's third patch. Nothing bad. Closing the trap door again temporarily. So, I'll be running one more jag through it. In particular, this one. Running this one through. And again, it will be a 45 jag here. So let's get to it. Our cloth here, line that up right here in the middle. Punch it through. Oh, excuse that. There we go. Right through. And now I'm going to stand the rifle up and go at it again with this one. There we go. And we're going to need the trap door open. Let me open that right quick. Set it down here, lean it against the desk. I'll hold while we do this. Send it through. This is the result. We pull back, should withdraw, and it is not. Hold up, let me grab this off. Here we go. Now, there we go. Got it. Had a little finagle right there. Anyways, there we go. Looking seemingly pretty good in the barrel. So I'm going to withdraw this here. And now we will oil down the outside of the rifle. Give it a little bit of touch up with that. Let's see what we can do here. Now we have our cloth rifle and our ballistol. I'll shoot a little bit on the barrel here and just rub it down. Get on as much metal as you can. Cover with a layer of oil. Put a dab of ballistol here. Dab and some. It's alright. Making it work around this barrel band here. In fact, push this down. Scoot the barrel band up and out of the way. Get the barrel underneath that. Probably had never gotten in its life. Oh, look at that. That is something. Just gonna bring it on back down. You hear it click into place. Like so. Now, we'll work with the receiver a bit. Top of the trapdoor. Go for it. More. And a trigger guard, plate. Alright, I'll get the back of the stock here, and that'll be all. And of course, some more oil on. Butt plate too. I know I said that'll be all, but gotta get some on here. And that's all right there. Best I could do. I know, always room for improvement. I think I did pretty well, at least from what it was before. So, alrighty. And that's that. Model 1884 TrapDoor Springfield. Again, sadly, sporterized and chopped. Guess that comes along with sporterization anyways. There you go, a little bit of a cleaning of the rifle. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one.